see, I don't get it. It's like it only works in rinse and spin, but if you try to get it to work in wash cycle, it doesn't work. So we'll try wash again. Nothing. You go to rinse. Well, that didn't work. Well, most of the time the rinse works. Let's see. Let's try and spin. So then it makes that kind of noise too, like a thunk. And see, that's in spin. You turn it off. You try to get it to wash. Let's try heavy duty. Nothing. Push it in. And if you go down to, I guess this is kind of like the rinse part. And it works. So I don't know, I'm confused.